Well, a hearing for a murder suspect, Shon Pernice, just ended moments ago. Kansas City police were hoping 24-hour police surveillance and a GPS tracker would lead them to Renee Pernice's body.
Well, Renee Pernice disappeared in 2009, and now her husband, Shon Pernice, is charged with first-degree murder. Lisa Benson is live at a motions hearing where Shon's attorney wants evidence thrown out. Lisa?
That's right. The defense attorney says the use of a GPS tracker on Shon Pernice's car was a violation of his Fourth Amendment rights because police did not secure a search warrant to install the device on Pernice's vehicle. Pernice's attorney says the GPS was unconstitutional surveillance. Renee Pernice's family sat front row as the detectives talked about what Shon Pernice did while being watched by a team of 5 to 7 detectives 24 hours a day. According to police, on January 12th, undercover detectives saw Pernice watching a candlelight vigil held in his wife's honor, but he never made contact with her family. Right now, Pernice is in jail, but for months after Renee's disappearance, he had not been charged in her case. Right now, Pernice is in jail, but again, for months he was not charged with the crime. During that time, he allegedly made a phone call to community activist Alonzo Washington. Washington recorded that phone call, and now he has been subpoenaed to testify in the murder trial.
He gave me a call. I actually even did a blog that said if he really wants to upset law enforcement, make them upset, he can give me a call. And lo and behold, he actually did. So, it was interesting.
Now, the motions hearing will continue on February the 15th with more information from detectives who spent several weeks following Shon Pernice. Live in Liberty, Lisa Benson, 41 Action News.
Lisa, I know earlier today you said that Renee's family was there in court again today. How are they reacting? They have just been there every single time there's been a hearing or some sort of appearance on this case.
Well, Pernice's father, Rick Pretz, was actually in the courtroom. We asked to talk to him, but they feel right now they are closer than they've ever been to a conviction in her disappearance, and so they did not want to talk on camera. But again, they are very optimistic that this murder trial will lead to some answers regarding their daughter's, of course, disappearance and her death investigation.
All right, Lisa Benson, thank you. Well, as we said, the case began in January of 2009 when Renee Pernice disappeared from her Northland home. Investigators searched the surrounding area for any clues. They did find her cell phone. A month later, police declared her case a death investigation, and in May of 2010, Shon Pernice was charged with the murder of his wife. Pernice was also charged with an unrelated crime. After Renee disappeared, he was accused of stealing a neighbor's gun.